Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit in diamond black crystal pearl. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, quadra-lift air suspension, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 104788.